Earlier this morning, White House National Economic Council Director Larry Kudlow talked to us about the deficit.
The deficit in 19 and 20, 2019, 2020, I think is estimated about 4.5% of GDP. I think that's a manageable number. And I don't think it's interfering. You take a look at the bond market, David, the 10-year is what? Hovering around 2%. So there's no fear. There's no fear and loathing with respect to all that.
On that dovish note, let's get to Rick Santelli and get the Santelli Exchange. Rick.
Oh, my God, Carl. You know, somewhere out there, Stan Druckenmiller is sighing. And when I heard Larry say that, I took a step back. That is exactly the problem. Broken signals send inaccurate messages. Think about what he's saying. Bad behavior, domestically and globally, of rising debt to GDP, many countries at historic levels, and falling interest rates. Italy, Greece is 10 years lower than ours. No fear and loathing is a big problem when treasuries don't pick up on debt deficits and red ink and historic amounts of debt being placed on the books. You know, the yield curve and global debt buildup are related. It's the same issue. The Fed seems all nervous about the inverted curve because all the policies around the globe are piling in to distort the market signal. So if Washington doesn't get the bad signal from the markets that they're pricing our future way too cheap with respect to interest rates, and when they do start to move up, and they will at some point, servicing this global debt is horrible. And let's scratch our heads. Why do we think that most of the globe can't get very solid growth? Why do we think even the U.S., the best of the best, still isn't growing as fast as many think it should? It's because we're carrying all this baggage. And just because the market doesn't see it doesn't mean it isn't there.